If you've been wanting to join Telegram but prefer using your email instead of the usual phone-only setup, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, clean method to create a Telegram account using your email, so you can get started in less than 2 minutes. First, open the App Store on your phone. Tap the search bar and type Telegram. When the official Telegram app appears, open its details page and download the latest version. Once the download finishes, go ahead and launch the app. You'll first see a screen asking for your country and phone number. This step is required, so make sure the number you enter is correct. Tap. Continue to move forward. Now, Telegram will ask for your email address to help protect your account. Enter the email you want to use. If you're on an iPhone, you also have the option to create your Telegram account using your Apple ID, which is super quick. Just tap continue and scan your Face ID if prompted. Telegram will then automatically call your number and dictate a verification code. Simply enter the code, and just like that, you'll be taken straight into your Telegram chats. From here, head to the Settings tab at the bottom. This is where you can customize your profile, update your name or photo, manage security settings, add payment methods, and personalize your overall experience. And that's it. You've successfully created your Telegram account using your email. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick, easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.